Hey everybody, Brian here. So this here is the key that's on an Ioniq 6. So just to show you some of the functions that are on it, it's pretty straightforward. So you have a lock function, you got an unlock function, nothing unusual there, but then you also have an auto start function. I'm going to leave the window down for display purposes here. You would normally do this from a distance, but for the auto start, hit the lock button and then straight away after hold this hold button for approximately 3 seconds. Now this is why you let the window down. You can see the dash has started up. The car now is technically after starting. Now here's the cool part. So once it's running like that, then you have forward and backwards on the key. So I'm going to hold this one here. 1, 2, 3. I can hear the handbrake. 5, 6, and you can hear it's gone into reverse. The brakes are on and the car is moving itself. Let go and it stops. Similarly, if I want to go forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So approximately 5 seconds later, and you can hear the brakes are still engaged, and then I can just let off and it stops. If I'm finished using that auto driving function, I'm just going to hit the hold button again, and it turns everything off. The other thing then on this key, you can also hit the lock button and keep your finger on it, and that'll retract the wing mirrors obviously every time, but obviously if you leave the windows down, it'll bring them up too. And then we have the last function then, which is the boot. So hold it, 1, 2, 3, you can let go and it opens up, but locking is slightly different. So hold it all the way down. So you got to keep your finger on it until it is completely closed. If you stop holding it down halfway, the boot will actually stop halfway. So anyway, hopefully that video is useful for somebody that has an Ioniq 6 or is getting an Ioniq 6 and they want to know a bit more about the functionality of the key. Thanks for watching.